We are now already almost 10 days after the hurricane, or a little bit more even, and we still see all those wounds that were inflicted by the hurricane. So that means most of the wounds here are 10 days or more old. It means deep wounds, infected wounds, severe infections also of the deep tissues. There was one person who had a trauma because the roof of his house collapsed during the hurricane and it came down in his neck. So he had a very deep wound here that was infected, it was full of pus.
Monsieur, ça doit être échangé à 3 jours, ok? C'est très important.
And the second, more severe case was a person who, after the hurricane, getting out of the house, cut his foot. Actually, it's on the levels of his Achilles tendon, and was really deeply infected. These are the persons that really, if they wouldn't get the decent care, starting with what we did already, in a few days, this person could lose his foot.
Et pour la douleur, 4 fois par jour, okay? 4 fois par jour. Pour la douleur, ça c'est antibiotique, très important. Okay? Ça va? Bonne chance.